Hoofstuk 24, chapter 24, fast forward, bladsy 78, page 78. Ek het een keer hierdie boek uitgeneem oor hoe om 'n band te begin. Dit was een van die baie kere wat ek vasbeslote was dat ek en Zayn 'n slag 'n regte band moet begin. Die eerste hoofstuk se naam was Beware. Being in a rock band can be dead boring. Ek het nie verder as die eerste hoofstuk gelees nie. Dit was obvious die mense weet nie waarvan hulle skryf nie. Na 'n week saam met Cinnamon verstaan ek wat die skrywers van daai boek bedoel het. As jy die afgelope week kon fast forward, sou dit min of meer so lyk. So, many years ago, or a while back, Tian took a book from the library about how to start bands, because he was certain he and Zayn was going to start a real band. And the first chapter of the book was called Beware, Being in a Rock Band Can Be Dead Boring. And he never continued reading because he felt after that chapter, the writers didn't know what they were writing about. But after a week of all the activities after cleaning up the classroom, he now understands what the authors meant. Now, if you could fast forward the week that Sailor Moon the band has had, this is how it would have looked. Maandag. Zayn 10 minute laat vir oefening. Bongie vies, Liesel het Sondag aan die vocals vir Maak Lemonade geoefen. Dit klink great. So Monday, Zayn was late 10 minutes. Bongie was mad and Liesel practiced the vocals for their song Maak Lemonade and it sounds great. Dinsdag, Tuesday. Geen oefening. Bongie gee almal opdrag om by die huis te oefen. No practice. Bongie tells everyone to practice at home. En met idees vir nog songs voor in dag te kom. And to come with more ideas. Ja. Geen idees. Tian has no ideas. Woensdag. Liesel hou nie meer van Maak Lemonade se wysie nie. Liesel doesn't like the lyrics for their song Make Lemonade. Wil hy ons met die hele song oorskryf. She wants us to rewrite the whole song. Probeer nuwe wysie uitdink. So they try and think of a new lyrics. Liesel vra of ons môre ook kan oefen. Almal verbaas. Liesel asks if they can practice tomorrow and everyone is surprised at her request. Donderdag, Thursday. Bongie 5 minute laat vir oefening as gevolg van musiekklas wat langer aangehou het. Bongie is late 5 minutes because of music class that went on further. Or went on too long. Zayn vir makerig. Zayn is being silly. Bongie vies. Bongie angry. Liesel hou weer van oorspronklike wysie van Maak Lemonade. Word van my kop af. So Liesel likes the original song, not the new changes they've made. And Tian is going out of his mind, like he's annoyed. Vrydag. Kan Maak Lemonade in my slaap speel. Can play Make Lemonade in my sleep. Saterdag. Het nuwe idee vir song. Saturday he's got a new idea for a song. Titel. Van my kop af. Losing my mind. Koor, so the chorus the chorus will go. Jy skiet my prop af, my inhibisies chop af. Al my naskers top af. Ek raak van my kop af. There's a lot of idiomatic, metaphorical expressions in this that is difficult to explain in English, but basically, he's losing it. Ek en Liesel stel voor, ons hou môre 'n dinkskrim om aan die nuwe song te werk. So he and Liesel suggest that they have like a thinking session to work on a new song. Zayn kan nie, Zayn can't come, gaan kuier by sy ouma because he's going to his granny. Bongie moet in die kerk se orkes speel. Bongie is playing for the church's orchestra. Dan doen ons twee dit. Then Liesel says the two of them will do it. Nota aan self. Moes vir Zayn verduidelik wat inhibisies beteken. So, sticky note to himself. Had to explain to Zayn what inhibisies means for the second song chorus that he wrote over there. Het vir hom verduidelik, dis iets waaraan ek hopeloos te veel en hy hopeloos te min het. So I told him it's something I have too much of as Tian and he has too little of as Zayn.